Thank you, Kirsten. I am absolutely delighted to be here today. My name is Tony Iton. I'm Senior Vice President at the California Endowment, and we're just wrapping up a 10-year initiative called Building Healthy Communities, which is really a place-conscious initiative, which is taking into consideration many of the factors that you're going to hear today during this workshop. And one of our biggest learnings from this work is that while many of us were trained in a system that approached health from a technocratic perspective, what we've learned in our work is that health is really oftentimes better described as a democratic enterprise. And in a democratic enterprise, what matters is power and a sense of belonging, and for folks to come together to work on root cause conditions. And you're going to hear a lot of that today. We've summed it up in a formula that we call ABC. A is for agency, B is for belonging, and then C is for changing conditions. Today, I have the privilege of moderating our opening session. I'll briefly introduce our speakers, but I just got to pause to say that this is truly a great privilege of my career to be able to moderate a discussion on power and belonging with these two formidable, inspiring, and dynamic leaders. I am in deep awe of both of them, and if you aren't already, you will be soon. Our topic today, community-led initiatives for population health improvement, doesn't even begin to do justice to the transformational leadership that these two brilliant women bring to their respective and aligned movements. We'll only be able to scratch the very surface of their wisdom this morning. Nevertheless, let us begin. Iton Poo is the co-founder and executive director of the National Domestic Workers Alliance, a nonprofit organization working to bring quality work, dignity, and fairness to the growing numbers of workers who care and clean our homes, the majority of whom are immigrants and women of colors. In 12 short years, with the help of more than 70 local affiliate organizations and chapters and over 200,000 members, the National Domestic Workers Alliance has passed Domestic Worker Bill of Rights in 9 states and the city of Seattle, and brought over 2 million home care workers under minimum wage protections. After hearing from Iton, we'll hear from Latasha Brown, who has certainly been in the news lately. Latasha Brown is an organizer, a philanthropic consultant, activist, singer, songwriter, and co-founder of the Black Voters Matter Fund, a power-building Southern-based civic education organization, and the Black Voters Matter Capacity Building Institute. She's the principal owner of Truth Speaks Consulting, LLC, a philanthropy advisory consulting firm in Atlanta, Georgia, and the project director of Grantmakers for Southern Progress. And she's joining us from Montego Bay, Jamaica. So with no further ado, Iton Poo.